President Donald Trump don finally raise trade tariff give Canada from 25% to 35%. Di man still announce fresh tariff for more than 90 countries as im trade deadline don pass. France don announce say dem dey send 4 flights wey carry 10 tons of emergency food and medical help go Gaza. Na French Foreign Minister Jean-Noel Barrot tok dis one. Na small be dat for today tori. Dis na PidginToriGlobal, where foreign tori dey drop for your ear with correct Naija pidgin. If e dey happen for world, we go dey run am here the way you sabi am. So like and subscribe to PidginToriGlobal make you no miss any hot tori and make you still share to your friends because dem too suppose dey get updates. Oya make we enter the gist proper. We dey start from US today. President Donald Trump don finally raise trade tariff give Canada from 25% to 35%. The man still announce fresh tariff for more than 90 countries as im trade deadline don pass. Canada Prime Minister Mark Carney tok say e dey disappointed, but e add say most Canadian goods still dey safe because of one old agreement wey still dey work. Mexico own tariff dey on hold for now. Dem give am extra 90 days, but Brazil no lucky at all. Dem go face 50% heavy tariff. Trump first announce dis tariff plan for April wey shake global market, but e later delay am small make countries like UK fit rush negotiate. US Deputy Economic Editor say even though dis new tariff no too harsh like wetin Trump threa ten before, companies go still pay tax to import goods enter US. Experts don dey talk say dem go likely shift the cost give customers. US economy fit feel am well if all dis tariff wahala continue. White House don draw 15% tariff on goods wey dey come from Israel as part of President Donald Trump trade policy wey affect plenty countries. The new rule go start work from August 7. Israeli media tok say their finance ministry dey try cool body, say the tariff wey dem get small pass other countries own because dem get better communication with Trump government. Dem still dey run talks with America as dem dey find way reach full and better trade agreement. Donald Trump Middle East envoy land for Gaza and reporters gather say Israeli soldiers go only dey shoot warning shots, say dem no target any civilians. Israel National Security Council don warn their citizens say make dem shine eye if dem dey UAE or plan to waka go there. Dem say terrorist groups like Hamas, Hezbollah, Iran and Global Jihad fit target Israeli people for the Gulf area. Dem tok say the threat don high well because of Israel military actions for Middle East like Operation Rising Lion and Operation Iron Squads. Dem believe say those groups dey find revenge, especially as people dey vex over wetin Israel dey do for Gaza, whereas international pressure dey rise as people dey blame Israel for Gaza hunger wahala wey come from the way dem block food and aid from entering the area. News agency don report say Israeli army don waka enter Hebron and Nablus area for West Bank, arrest 6 Palestinians. For Hebron, dem arrest 2 people after dem search and scatter their house. Another 2 people still dey among those wey dem carry from Yatta wey near there. For Nablus side, one man wey dey Balata refugee camp and another from UNRWA town follow for the arrest. Israeli soldiers enter their house, search everything before dem carry the men go. France don announce say dem dey send 4 flights wey carry 10 tons of emergency food and medical help go Gaza. Na French Foreign Minister Jean-Noel Barrot tok dis one. Barrot tok say the hunger situation for Gaza na real disgrace and wetin dem dey send still no reach wetin people need. Since dis war start, hunger don cause at least 154 people for Gaza to lose their life, including 2 more babies and 1 young man wey just happen recently. UNRWA don tell Israel say e no make sense to dey block international journalists from Gaza. Dem tok say for over 660 days now, civilians don dey suffer inside the place, but because media no dey see wetin dey really happen, plenty lies and wrong story full everywhere. UNRWA tok for social media say if dem no allow foreign reporters enter Gaza, e go just dey easy to spread false story and treat Palestinians like say dem no be human being. Dem beg make the ban wey Israel put for media to enter Gaza, make dem remove am sharp sharp. US Secretary of State Marco Rubio don tok say India close relationship with Russia still dey bring small wahala inside dia partnership with America. Dis statement land one day after President Trump tok say e go slam 25% tariff plus extra penalty on Indian goods sake of India dey buy Russian oil and weapons. Rubio call India strategic partner but say the plenty Russian oil wey India dey buy don dey slow down their friendship with Washington. From just 3% for 2021, Russia oil don go reach 35% to 40% of India oil imports for 2024. India never talk anything about Rubio talk yet, but dem don always defend say dem dey buy cheap Russian oil to protect poor Indians from high fuel price wahala. Rubio gree say India need plenty fuel and Russia price cheap pass, but e still warn say the money from the oil fit dey support Russia war for Ukraine. E tok say Trump vex say India still dey buy from Russia when other oil sellers full ground, whereas news don drop say some India oil companies like HPCL, BPCL, MRPL and IOCL don pause Russian crude import as the discount no too sweet again. HSBC Global Investment Research also confirm say India cut down on Russian oil for July. Indian Petroleum Ministry deny say dem tell companies to stop, but Minister Hardeep Singh Puri tok last month say if US sanction touch Russian oil, India go still meet fuel needs from other 40 countries. Experts say even if India shift small from Russia, e no go too shake India economy because Russian and Brent oil price gap don reduce from $20 to just $3 per barrel. And the last one for today, Tata Steel don dey face serious wahala as dem don pay £1.5 million fine after one contract worker, Justin Day, lost im life inside their Port Talbot plant for 25 September 2019. Justin, wey be 44 years old from Lansamlet, Swansea, na engineer wey dey work for Me Engineering and na dem send am come the site. The man bin finish im work and don even sign say e don finish, but later dem call am back say oil dey leak. As Justin return go that same area, e no sabi say the place don partially come back alive, and as e enter one machine area, the sensor pick up one heavy steel beam move and crush am to death. Judge Geraint Walters tok say Tata Steel suppose don alert Justin say dem cancel the call or at least warn am say the machine area don dey active again. CCTV show say Justin try to talk to people wey dey under the machine. No be say e act carelessly, e think say e safe. But the judge still tok say Tata Steel no follow safety rules and e remember say the company don get 21 offences before now from 2011 to 2023. During court, Justin family tok say dem feel shattered and say Tata Steel no support dem at all. Even as Judge Walters give the judgment, e tok say no amount of fine fit bring back Justin or heal the pain wey im people dey feel. Tata Steel don plead guilty to 2 offences, including say dem no protect contractor health and safety. The court ordered them to pay £1.5 million fine plus £26,308.67 for court costs. Now the Tori be that for today, and na Rebecca Goffey dey report for PidginToriGlobal. Una do well.